And if they bet Nigeria, if you bet outside the country, Oyibo, USA, where then they who one guy that put fight for this thing, where they give this young girl justice. I know say this guy, when they kill him, because he don't kill him, he talk him for him and say na he kill him. He no hold him any day too. Maybe boyfriend wey him be, he just call and say he come out for interview. The next thing, they get come they say, as in the white stand. He come they drop his number, give my other sister where they show now saying this man come, he say make I come interview. Have you been say he no give him number, my sister for die like that, and for this one I could look for my sister everywhere, no could see her again. But thank God say I want to say make I thank God. I don't go see him. I don't go see him, but even that guy don't kill and finish. One thing I beg Nigeria, I say I beg, make them find justice for my sister. Whoever where the guy they water, I guess in the keep person they bury me, I don't know. But if it's where this guy they work for, make Nigeria investigate, make all of them be brought to book. This world is turning to something else. You are suffering. Please help us. Help us. Thank you.
As I just there for office, I can't receive one phone call from one of my friends. Wey tell me say she don't try reach my sister. As she reach my sister, e be like say she dey scream for the background. I come say but she don't tell me say she dey go job interview. Say the same thing na wetin she tell her be that. So I come say, okay, make I call her. I come begin call her. Call her, the phone ring, nobody pick up. I come begin call that contact where she send give me, say she won't go for interview. As I call the number come they switched off. I come feel say something must happen before my sister go see my call, pick up. Now I come run, come up for outside. Go look for person who could help me go find her. At least make I just go where that place where she just send give me, make I know. The one thing go enter my mind, say if I go now I go know, make I run face go police station go report, give police say my sister don't miss. So as I run go reach police station, police come tell me say na 24 hours so they fit go find missing person. I still come run back again, come call my brother for phone, call her tell her say my sister dey miss. Say she go job interview where she tell me this afternoon. Now they come here say she dey scream for background. Now my brother say make I hold on, say in dey run come. My brother come run from where in dey, come meet me for where I dey. Two of us come waka go find her for that road where he send give me description. As we waka find we no see her. Now so that the whole of that day we no fit see her. We just come call people, make people help us, make we find my sister. Now, I was so chattered when I hear say my sister died.
As I did so, that day come here, say as my sister called me for phone, say, look I come where in there. He don't call my sister for phone. The phone they ring, he never pick up. Now I run for house, come out go there. As he talk now, he walk out for you, walk out, look for her way in there. Walk out, you know see her that day. I come call people with me, I know say my sister thought saying they go for interview. Come drop phone number, say now this person where they go interview for. Now waka come carry phone, come they call the number, call. The number where they say now the number now off. Number no gree go call. He waka. Come there that night, you don't reach 10 o'clock. I never hear my sister phone still the ring. You never see face. You never even see the person where call him for interview. The number come there off. I should say, what thing come happen like this? That following morning, early morning, I don't walk out 5 o'clock in the morning. Say, make I go back, will you go find her? Come go report for police station. Say, I never see my sister. As my sister talk, and I'm being good that time, go report for police station. What did they tell and say, make him reach 24 hours? Say, now, law be that, as well in the top. So now the next day, I don't walk out, go report for police station. When near the place where you go interview, as he tell my sister. As I go reach that place, I go report and the thing they follow me, waka, police follow me, waka, go look my sister. Say make you no worry. My sister will come out. I go see him, Papa, as I walk out because of the number where he drop. I come carry see him first. Say, now the guy be this, we get this phone number. Now I carry the number, the face, go show him, Papa. Say him, Papa, now get this picking. He say now him picking. Say okay, Papa follow me, police. Maybe you go talk where him picking. Carry my sister, go as him call and come interview. As the man say he never see him picking. In Peking travel 2 days ago. Now so we waka the next thing we come the year now. As you waka for 2 days, the next thing we come here we say and my sister died.
That my sister, wey you say, he get plenty talent wey he wan be for life. He get plenty things for mind. When he say we finish school now, im fit be as a philosophy. He study for Uyo, University of Uyo. He get a lot of things wey he get for mind when he say he finish school now, he fit be. As a long lady now, he fit say make he go look for work as a philosophy, as a student now. He fit get plenty things like us now, get plenty things wey we say we finish school now, you go out there, we fit get things wey we fit do. We get stars, we fit do anything. He get talent for mind. As him waka go reach say him dey find work now. Now that so-called person come in life just like that. He pain us as we come lose our sister. He pain us because we know wetin our sister fit be tomorrow. He fit help people wey dey in need. As in my sister dey pain us. We no fit forget am for this life. As if they call me say big sis, I no get person wey go call me that big sister again now. We dey in pain. We miss am.
My sister wey don die like this, when I sit down think of so many things wey she dey tell me. That time wey she just come say, sis, I wan go do this, or I don't want just stay idle. I know say una too try for me, una too spend money, una too suffer. Say she no wan stay idle o. Even as we say she wan go NYSC, she for like do small thing wey be say she go get small money to take support us. As we dey like this, we no get mama, we no get papa. So everybody don't know, make we no sit down with this small work wey you dey do now. This small work wey no dey even pay you better salary. Make she go find small one to join. Make she say if you dey find 5 naira, if you fit had 5 naira give her, she go fit do 1 or 2 things for herself. You see that my sister wey die so, she get brain. You won't see when she won't do something like, you go even ask her, madam, how you take know this thing now? She knows that just sit down and think am. You see her like that, she has brain. No be say she die, say she no get hand work. She get hand work. She been dey do organic cream like that, where she go lane. But as she tell say, if you dey do this thing now, no be capital person dey take do business. Say she won't see help herself. Make she no come be an idle person. Make she no come dey look person face. As you see this world like this, nobody there to help anybody. Now make she just carry her body, say make she go find work. Before she go that work, she tell me, and I was in support of it. I don't know say as she won't go find work, now so she go find it. Make una help me, I beg. I dey beg all Nigerians, say I beg. Anything una want do, make una help me get justice for that my sister. Because you see that day when she die like this, it pay me past any other. In short, see that day, I did pay me past my papa and my mama won't know. Because the way that my sister will carry, where they go kill for like that, we just die on timely date. That kind day wey be say never reach am to die, she go die. That day pay me. I won't beg Nigerians, I won't beg una, I won't beg the United Nations, I won't beg the whole world. Say I beg, anything una fit do, give me justice. That is the only thing I dey promise her. Even as my sister die like this, I dey see her for dream every day. She dey cry every day. Tell me say make I give her justice. I beg. I no fit do this justice thing alone. Una help me. I won't give her justice. I beg. Now my humble request for una be that. Thank you, Nigerians.